I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to fix your iPhone or iPad sending green bubble chat messages when you feel like it should be sending blue bubble chat messages. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, scroll down to the bottom of this screen, and then tap Apps. You'll see a list of all of the apps currently installed on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap Messages in this list. Step 3. Make sure that iMessage is toggled on if it isn't turned on already. Step 4. Tap Send and Receive, which is located directly beneath iMessage. You'll see two sections. The first section shows you phone numbers and accounts that you can receive iMessages to and reply with them from. The second section shows you which accounts you can start new iMessages from. Step 5. Make sure that either the phone number or email account you're having issues with receiving green bubble text messages at has a check mark next to it. Tap to place a check mark next to that account if it doesn't have one already. Reboot your iPhone or iPad after making this change. This should fix the problem of your device sending and receiving green bubble chat messages when you feel like it should be sending and receiving blue bubble chat messages. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.